Okay, so we got a really cool temple right here. So let's see. Yeah, so there's a temple, kind of goes down the hill a little bit. It's beautiful. There's a lady, I think I've seen her here every time I've been here. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It must always be here, I guess. It's more like a storage. Hey. So yeah, it's a kind of a beautiful temple. There it is. Oh man, I haven't been in here in a little while. This is a cool spot. I just really like it a lot. Because you got this kind of cool thing, like look at that balcony. Man, it's so cool. And wait till we get down here and there's these little corner of houses. Here's the inside of a house, I think. No, it's a shrine. I think that's a shrine. I think that is. Okay. There's another one too. Okay, so let's just look at this real quick. So you got like this, looks really cool, like right there, right? So you got like this, that little spot right there. And then it kind of goes uphill a little bit too. So we're actually gonna see if we can catch here, and then we're gonna catch this corner one too. So that one right there is also another cool spot. And of course you can do all the different spots here. You got this. And we're just gonna look at down here. This is the name of the street. Rua de Aguia. Rua de Figueira. Man, it's just like such a cool looking building though. Yep, it's pretty cool. Just have to go up a little bit because I just want to see different angles of this, right? Because this is the whole temple is in the interior here. So we also have this green pastel building. Let's see what this is too. Okay. A little bit hard to see. So we're just gonna walk across. If we can catch it like that. And I guess this is the other side, so a little bit hard to see. Okay. You get this apartment building right next to it. You wouldn't think something so cool is like right on the other side of that, but there is. All right. And I'm actually gonna go back down because I'm gonna try to capture that from the corner. Oh, look at the shutters here. So I'll show you the shutter shot and then we'll probably call it. Yeah, look at that. So right there you got those shutters, they're open like that. Another alley. Those. And that's it right there.